Hello students, today I will start the second lecture for the 10 plus 2 electrochemistry. Today I will start from the Ohm's law. What do you mean by the Ohm's law? Ohm's law, according to the Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, V directly proportional to the I. What is the V? V is the voltage. V is voltage. And what you mean by the I? I is the current. I is current. And when we remove the directly proportional sign, we put a constant that will be R. What you mean by the R? R is the resistance. R is resistance. R is resistance. And then what will be R? R will be equal to V by I. And unit of R will be ohm. Unit of R will be ohm. And it is also like voltage per ampere or voltage per ampere also. Next, what do you mean by the R? R is resistance. What do you mean by the resistance? The force which opposes the flow of electron in a wire, that's called resistance. Is a force which opposes flow of electron in a wire called resistance. That is called resistance. That is denoted by the R. It is denoted by the R. Second term is our conductance. Conductance. It is the reciprocal of resistance known as the conductance. Reciprocal of resistance called conductance. That is called conductance. And it is denoted by the G. The symbol of conductance will be G, and G inversely proportional to the R. Here. Next, our specific resistance. What do you mean by the specific resistance? Next, हम जो इससे नेक्स्ट पे करेंगे, व्हाट यू मीन बाय द स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस. देखो नेक्स्ट देखना बच्चों. स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस. स्पेसिफिक resistance. We know that it is also represented by the rho, just like this. We know R directly proportional to the L by A. What is the R? R is resistance. What is L? Length of wire. And A, area of cross section. Area of cross section. When we remove the directly proportional sign, R will be equal to rho into L by A. What is rho? Rho is known as the specific resistance. Rho is called specific resistance or also known as the resistivity, also called resistivity. If L is equal to 1 centimeter, if L is equal to 1 centimeter and A is equal to 1 centimeter square, then R will be equal to rho. R will be equal to rho, and we have to define rho in term of R. Then what will be the definition? Rho specific resistance is defined as a resistance of a wire, resistance of a wire having length 1 centimeter and area is 1 centimeter square. That will be definition of specific resistance, which is used for a particular area having the length breadth that will be 1 square centimeter. Then what is the specific conductance? Specific conductance that is denoted by the K. And how will we define the K? First of all, we know R directly proportional to the L by A, and R inversely proportional to the 1 by G, and K inversely proportional to 1 by rho. या हम इसको यहां भी लिख सकते हैं, we can put here rho inversely proportional to 1 by K. यहां पे वही टर्म जो ऊपर यूज किया हमने, R is the resistance, L is the length and A is the area of cross section. और यहां पे G is the conductance, यहां पे G extra है, that is conductance. Rho specific conductance resistance, and K that is specific conductance. And then how will we define K? R will be equal to rho into L by A, and here we put the value of G and K here, या हम इसको यहां भी लिख सकते हैं rho into 1 by K. Equation 1, equation 2. By putting these value in equation 3, that is equation 3, by putting value of equation 1 and 2 in equation 3, we get R 1 by G will be equal to 1 by K into L by A. If L is equal to 1 centimeter and area will be 1 centimeter square, if L is equal to 1 centimeter and A is equal to 1 centimeter square, then how will we define the K? K, then G will be equal to K. We have to define K in term of G. K specific conductance is defined as the conductance of a wire, defined as the conductance of a wire having length 1 centimeter and area 1 centimeter square. That will be specific conductance, and here is the specific resistance. Our next topic, अगर इसके अंदर हम एक डायग्राम भी बना दें, अगर हमने ये डायग्राम भी बना दिया, दैट विल बी आवर बेटर। ये जहां पे ये बॉक्स है, इसकी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट जो सभी हैं, दैट विल बी 1 सेंटीमीटर। ये that is used for the specific conductance and specific resistance. Our next topic is equivalent conductance. और सबसे अच्छा ये होगा, अगर सभी स्टूडेंट जो वीडियो में दिखाया जा रहा है अगर उसको अपनी कॉपी पे लिख लें, दैट विल बी बेस्ट। इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस, equivalent conductance. Next, it is defined as the conductance of all the ions. It is defined as the conductance of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent weight of an electrolyte. 1 gram equivalent weight of an electrolyte. ये इक्विवेलेंट जो कंडक्टेंस है, ये अगर 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट को अगर हम वाटर में डिसॉल्व कर दें और यहाँ से जो आयंस प्रोड्यूस हुए उन सभी की कंडक्टेंस को मेजर की जाए, दैट विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। नेक्स्ट इज आवर मोलर कंडक्टेंस। What do you mean by the molar conductance? Molar conductance, it is defined as the conductance of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte into the solution. 1 mole of an electrolyte in solution, that will be molar conductance, also called molar conductivity, and it will be denoted by M, and this is also denoted by equivalent conductivity. This is the symbol for the equivalent conductivity, and this is the symbol for the molar conductivity. Thank you.